Definitely you can buy this phone. Outstanding rear camera and S Pen features are awesome. Really appreciate. Front camera is not up to its price. Fantastic. Smooth functioning, vibrant colors, S Pen works so smoothly, loving its work features and controls. Most exciting part, clicking pictures with S Pen. Pictures, photos quality is so good, camera functions really appreciate. I attached the picture. Please let me know what's this and purpose of this. Overall good product. Fingerprint is little slow, missing iris scanner as I was the Galaxy S8 user's pen is a plus as I love to draw. Processor is slow when compared with Snapdragon processors due that internet lags. Excellent product. Its design, camera, performance, Super AMOLED display, sound, everything is super. Pen features OMG. Super flagship smartphone. This is what Samsung brand called up for. Thanks Amazon for early delivery. Great phone, good battery life, but the fast charging is really fast. All things you expect from a Note in a light version. It definitely reaches my expectations and then some. Awesome. Nice phone in 4100 rupee 8128 GB. Great phone at a reasonable price. I loved it. This phone performs back camera super well but not that much on front cam. It gives extreme dull pics on low light condition but sometimes gives better on fully daylight condition as compared to low light condition. And the processor performs pretty well but sometimes it gives irritating response. And sometimes any water drops on screen, the screen will automatically run up and down and closes and open the apps. It very irritating even for a small drops also. And I just using it for S Pen experience. The S Pen works amazingly. And the battery life is also better than compared to other which is have the specifications. And the last one, fingerprint sensor is worst that I ever been used. My previous ones it opens a bit delay and it can't open for sometimes, except these everything is good. Fingerprint is little bit slow compared to backside fingerprint scan. Camera is awesome and battery lasts 6 to 7 hours on a single charge if the phone is used continuously. But Samsung Note is the best. Some advanced features as well. 1. Fingerprint. Okay, so a lot of people have issues with it and I agree with you all, but listen me, the easiest way to solve it is register your thumb twice or thrice, which I did, and voila. It works absolutely amazing after that. And if you use power button before unlocking it with your thumb, then you will get confused why people were having so negative view regarding this amazing fingerprint sensor. The thing is, while registering your finger second time, use different angles as much as possible, and if you are like me who don't have issue registering thrice, then you won't face any issue. Fingerprint conclusion: who registered twice 8100ths if power button not pressed and if power button is used. Choose the medium option. Why? It restricts CPU power to 70% and reduce max brightness level by 10%, which you can still stop if you want. Believe me, even on multiple app usage, 25 apps at once, I have not faced a single drop in performance and even have played games like Alto Adventure and Turn the Man, Mario of Android, and everything ran smoothly with no issue as such. I even went in sunlight to check how much brightness level. Answer in conclusion, 3 cameras. Well, rear cameras are flagship levels, no doubt on that, and it is having the most useful setup: 12MP ultrawide, 12MP main and 12MP telephoto, 2x zoom without quality loss. Unlike other brands, no depth or macro sensor is given, which is a wonderful thing because So rear cameras are 10 out of 10, which makes it most useful camera setup under 40K segment. Front cameras, many people are not happy with it, and I understand that the optimization done on front cam is pretty poor, but here comes the but again. To the surprise, it is same sensor as S10 Lite, it just need. Whether it is OnePlus 7T or OnePlus Nord, none of them has them, and the best thing is it is not Chinese. To be honest, I never wanted the S Pen, but what I wanted was a great set of camera which had great recording capabilities and a headphone jack to insert my mic, and I watched more than 20 to 25 complete review to find great camera phone at this segment, which was around 33K. Honestly, I wanted S10 Lite to be priced at 33K because its camera capabilities are phenomenal. No OnePlus 8, Vivo, Oppo can come near it, believe me. Not even iPhone say, but that never happened. But what I got was this, quite unexpected. I knew 2-year-old Exynos will never be good decision, but at 31K everything was justified to me, so I went with this one. For the questions that I placed at the top 1, the answer is you have to register your thumb. Click link in description for more reviews.